Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. The base dimension is 100 by 60, height is 20 mm. So in that there is a 40 mm cutout, that height is 10 mm. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select the sketch, select the plane. Here select line and create one rough sketch. Now give the dimensions 60 and 40. This is 60 mm and this is 40 mm. So we can create one center line here to give the symmetric constraint. Next select here symmetric, select this and these three lines. Again select this line and this line. So now symmetric. So give the height 20 mm. This height is 10 mm. So now we need to give one horizontal constraint here. Select this space and this point. So now we can see bottom of the sketch is fully constrained. So now finish sketch, extrude. So here we can select symmetric also if you required. So overall length we required 100 mm. Next you can see there is a back side on flange, that length is 60 mm and thickness is 10 mm, height is 40 mm. So for that select this surface, sketch, create one rectangle first, give the dimensions or create one circle. So here to here 60 mm. The height is 40. Give the horizontal constraint and we can give the center dimension also, or we can give the constraint also. So here you can see there is a circle, diameter 25, that height is 12.5 mm. So this we need to offset. Height is 12.5. So give the constraint. Next select the line, give the tangent constraint here. Trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. So this height we need to give it again. So now sketch is fully constrained. So finish sketch. Thickness we want only 10 mm. Next select this surface, sketch, create sketch like this, give the dimensions. This is 10 mm, this is also 10 mm. Select here project geometry, select this and this. So finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, 10 mm is okay. Next select this extrude 3, mirror, here select center plane. Last you can see there is a one dia 20 hole is there, that dimension is 20 by 20. For that select this surface, sketch, create dia 20 circle, give the dimensions, (20). So finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, here you can select through hull, okay. Go to front view, go to ISO view, so you can compare it to the drawing. So we can assign the material here, so I will assign steel. In the steel we can change the polishes here. So which polish you want as per your requirements, you can assign the polish here. So I will steel blue, I will go with steel blue. If you want you can change the color. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you required any clarification regarding softwares, drawings, if you required any ISO drawings, you can leave the comment below. Definitely I will send whatever you want. Like I have softwares also, if you required I can definitely help you. You can leave the comment below with your details. So thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.